Welcome to 21 Rockstream here at Ascaya, located in Henderson, better known as the Hollywood Hills of Las Vegas. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of this gorgeous home. It's 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, 6,300 square feet, listed at $9,250,000. Let's go take a look. As we enter, we pass by this gorgeous courtyard, glass pivot door, and we enter into this gorgeous home. Now the primary bedroom is on the first floor, which is right around that corner. We'll get to that room in a little bit, but check out how beautiful this space is. This is the great room, double high ceilings, floating staircase with the glass handrail, and then you have what Blue Heron is known for, which is that biophilic design, incorporating the outdoor elements into your home. As you can see here, we have lights, rock, plants, everything that incorporates that natural lifestyle. Now what's really special about this home is this view. This is why you want to buy 21 Rockstream right here. With one push of the button right here on the wall, the sliders collapse into the wall, just opening this space up. You have this pool that almost feels like it's inside of your house, under the covered patio with the infinity edge hot tub. This is absolutely amazing. You don't get this anywhere else in Las Vegas. Whether you go to Summerlin, Summit Club, you don't get views like this. If you want views of the Las Vegas Valley, this is where you need to be. All right, making our way here to the covered patio. If you've ever seen a Blue Heron home before, then you're gonna recognize their design. It's a signature design by Blue Heron to have the angles, the indoor-outdoor pool, the separate hot tub, the sunken-in seating area at the gas fireplace. I mean, couldn't you imagine yourself sitting here entertaining family and friends overlooking the entire Las Vegas Valley? One of my favorite locations in the entire house is this kitchen. You have the double island, waterfall edge, seamless transitions, and what I love most about this kitchen is that you have a breakaway slider and it lets you take in that beautiful view. And this home is fully automated, so you can control everything in the house right here from this panel located in the kitchen. Just off of the kitchen, we have a butler's pantry, sink, beautiful upper cabinets, the Wolf espresso machine, oven, warmer, refrigerator, and check this out. You have this easy access door that's going to take you all the way around to the outdoor kitchen. Check this out. How amazing would this be to hang out here in the summer, in the springtime, watching the games, cooking outside, entertaining your family and friends. This is absolutely incredible. So we have 2 entrances to the garage. This is one of them. Epoxy floor, double high ceilings, and what I want to point out is they put a side lift here for your garage. So if you have multiple cars, you can get a lift in here with no problem. But this is the 2-car side, and if we continue to walk just around the corner, we have the second 2-car garage, again with the side lift, so you can put extra cars on a lift. Look at the design here. Look at the detail in the laundry room. No expense was spared in this house. The attention to detail is second to none. Downstairs is the powder bath, and I just want to point out how gorgeous the materials are that they used. Floating vanity, stonework in the basin. It is absolutely gorgeous. Downstairs we have an office or bedroom, depending on how you would like to use it. They do have automatic roll downs, the sliding glass door to the courtyard, and a full bathroom. The modern touches continue with the smooth texture on the walls, ceiling, and automated shades. They also have the linear air vents, again, which really modernizes the home. Just upstairs, we have a wet bar and an additional bedroom, which could be used as a second primary. From this bedroom, you have 360-degree views, offering views of the valley, the strip, and the mountains. And then you have a sliding glass door that opens up right to your own private terrace. And just on the other side of the second primary bedroom, we have another ensuite. What we're looking at here is bedroom number 4, which is located downstairs right next to the primary bedroom. As you can see, we have a gorgeous slider that opens from the center, and it gives you access to your own private garden. And now for the grand reveal, we are entering the primary bedroom. As you can see, we have glass that allows you to overlook the indoor-outdoor pool area. We have porcelain tile on the walls, and check this out. They thought this room through because it's positioned for you to overlook the Las Vegas Valley, and it gets better. We can slide these open. How amazing is this? Waking up on the weekend, opening the glass, listening to the pool fountains, absolutely gorgeous. If you turn around, you can see that they have a glass partition between the bedroom and the primary bathroom, which is such a cool design because again, that's why you want to purchase this home. You want to be able to appreciate the views from every room. But couldn't you imagine yourself taking a bath, enjoying the view? You have the biophilic design here in the bathroom, beautiful porcelain tile, shower, again, with windows. And the coolest part, you have your outdoor shower right here, access to your primary bathroom. How cool is that? If you would like more information about this home or another luxury estate right here in Ascaya or the Henderson area, make sure you give me a call.